To create and insert a progress bar in Google Sheets, start by opening your Google Sheets document and selecting the cell where you want to insert the progress bar. Progress bars are useful for visualizing the progress of a task or project, and they can be created using the REPT function in combination with conditional formatting. First, enter the percentage value that you want to display as the progress in a cell. For example, cell A1. Then, in the cell where you want to display the progress bar, enter the formula REPT cell open parenthesis double quote bar close parenthesis A1. The REPT function repeats the text inside the quotes the number of times specified by the value in cell A1. To make the progress bar more visually appealing, you can use conditional formatting to change the color and appearance of the bar. To do this, select the cell with the progress bar, go to the Format tab, and select Conditional Formatting. In the Format Cells If drop-down menu, select Custom Formula Is, and enter the formula equals A1. In the Format section, you can choose the color and appearance of the progress bar. For example, you can choose a green background color to represent completed progress and a red background color to represent incomplete progress. You can also adjust the font color and other formatting options to customize the appearance of the progress bar. Best practices for creating progress bars in Google Sheets include using a consistent scale for the progress values, such as a scale of 0 to 100. And using clear and concise labels to explain the meaning of the progress bar. You should also use conditional formatting to make the progress bar more visually appealing and easy to understand. To take your progress bar to the next level, you can use multiple colors to represent different ranges of progress values. For example, you can use a green background color for values above 80. A yellow background color for values between 50 and 79, and a red background color for values below 50. This can help to provide a more detailed and nuanced view of the progress.